What's the meaning of buggy? Buggy. Buggy.
Buggy. Buggy. Buggy is a term used to describe software that is faulty or defective. When a piece of software is buggy, it means that it has errors or flaws that cause it to function improperly or unexpectedly. This can lead to crashes, freezes, or other issues that prevent the software from working as intended. Buggy software can be frustrating and time-consuming for users, as they may need to repeatedly restart or troubleshoot the program in order to complete their tasks. It's important for developers to thoroughly test and debug their software to ensure that it is stable and functional before releasing it to the public.